The open road beckons. A blank map whispers possibilities. Planning a vacation, whether a weekend getaway or a month-long odyssey, sparks excitement. It's an opportunity to break free from routine, to explore new cultures, savor exotic cuisines, and create lasting memories. But before you pack your bags and grab your passport, a little planning goes a long way. Like a seasoned explorer charting a course, a well-planned trip ensures smooth sailing and maximizes your enjoyment. Don't worry, this isn't about cramming every minute with activities. It's about crafting a framework that allows for spontaneity and discovery. Are you dreaming of sun-drenched beaches and turquoise waters? Or perhaps you yearn for the crisp mountain air and the challenge of a rugged hike? Whatever your travel style, the key to a successful vacation lies in the planning. So, let's embark on this journey together, step by step, and transform your travel dreams into reality. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities and create memories that will last a lifetime. Before you get lost in daydreams of gondola rides in Venice or safaris in the Serengeti, let's talk about the elephant in the room, your budget. Don't let the B word scare you. Setting a budget isn't about restricting your fun, it's about maximizing your enjoyment without breaking the bank. Start by determining how much you can comfortably spend. Consider your savings, monthly income, and any upcoming expenses. Remember to factor in transportation, flights, trains, car rentals, accommodation, meals, activities, and souvenirs. Once you have a ballpark figure, research your destination. Costs can vary greatly depending on where and when you travel. Look for deals and discounts on flights and accommodation, especially during the off-season. Consider alternative lodging options like hostels or Airbnb for budget-friendly choices. Be realistic about your spending habits. If you're a foodie, allocate more funds for dining experiences. If you're an adventure enthusiast, prioritize activities like scuba diving or zip lining. Remember, it's your vacation. Personalize your budget to match your priorities. With a budget in mind, let the wanderlust guide you. The world is your oyster, brimming with diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable experiences. But with so many options, how do you choose the perfect destination? Start by considering your interests. Are you a history buff drawn to ancient ruins and museums? Or an adrenaline junkie seeking adventure sports and thrilling hikes? Perhaps you crave relaxation on pristine beaches or exploring bustling cities. Next, think about the season. Do you envision yourself skiing down snowy slopes or basking in the summer sun? Research the best time to visit your potential destinations to avoid extreme weather conditions and crowds. Be mindful of travel restrictions and visa requirements, especially in the ever-changing landscape of international travel. Check your government's travel advisories and ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Most importantly, be open to suggestions. Talk to friends, browse travel blogs, and consult with travel agents to gather inspiration and discover hidden gems off the beaten path. Now that you have a destination and a budget, it's time to create an itinerary that balances structure and spontaneity. Think of it as a roadmap, guiding you through the highlights of your chosen locale while leaving room for serendipitous detours. Start by researching the must-see attractions and activities. Make a list of places you want to visit, experiences you want to have, and local delicacies you want to try. Prioritize them based on your interests and the time you have available. Next, consider the logistics. How will you get from one place to another? How long will it take to travel between destinations? Factor in travel time when planning your daily activities to avoid feeling rushed. Don't overschedule your days. Leave ample time for relaxation, wandering through charming neighborhoods, and soaking up the local atmosphere. Remember, vacations are about creating memories, not checking off items on a to-do list. Be flexible. Weather conditions, unexpected closures, or simply stumbling upon a hidden gem can alter your plans. Embrace the unexpected and allow for spontaneity. Some of the best travel memories are made when you deviate from the itinerary. Section 5. Home away from home. Finding the right accommodation. Choosing the right accommodation can make or break your vacation. It's your home away from home, a sanctuary to rest and recharge. With options from luxurious hotels to cozy guest houses, how do you choose? Consider your budget and travel style. Are you looking for opulent amenities or a budget-friendly experience? Research different types of accommodation to find the best match. Choose a place conveniently located near public transportation, attractions, or restaurants. Read reviews from fellow travelers. Websites like TripAdvisor and Booking.com offer valuable insights. Book in advance, especially during peak season. This secures your preferred accommodation and often comes with early bird discounts. The art of packing light essential tips and tricks. Packing, the eternal struggle of every traveler. Fit everything you need into a single suitcase. Pack light and smart, focusing on versatile items. Start with a packing list. Categorize essentials. Passport, wallet, medications. Lay out everything and eliminate non-essentials. Choose versatile clothing in neutral colors. Pack layers for changing weather. Roll clothes to save space and prevent wrinkles. Use packing cubes to compress and organize. Pack heavier items at the bottom. Invest in a travel adapter and portable charger. Section 7. Savoring every moment, embracing the journey. Congratulations, you've made it. You've landed in your dream destination, ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Relax, embrace the journey, and savor every moment. Disconnect from the digital world. Be present, engage with your surroundings, and connect with the local culture. Step outside your comfort zone and try new things. Embrace the unfamiliar. Create vivid memories. Some of the best experiences happen when you wander off the beaten path. Travel is about connecting with cultures and broadening your horizons. Section 8. Until next time, returning with rejuvenated spirits. As your journey comes to an end and you find yourself homeward bound, take a moment to reflect on the incredible experiences you've had. The flavors, the scents, the sounds, the colors. These memories will linger long after the tan lines have faded. Returning home from a vacation can be bittersweet. You've been transported to another world, immersed in new cultures and experiences. It's natural to feel a tinge of sadness as you readjust to everyday life. But remember, the memories you've made and the lessons you've learned will stay with you forever. They'll enrich your perspective, fuel your wanderlust, and inspire you to explore more of the world. So unpack your bags, share your stories, and start planning your next adventure. The world is waiting to be explored, one unforgettable journey at a time.